This is the 1080p digital wireless RV camera with receiver from our V3 product line, SKU 65154. This camera receiver bundle will take advantage of our 300-foot digital wireless range and connect it to any monitor with the use of our receiver. It has a toggle button that lets you switch between the 1080p and standard definition. The lens is fully color with night vision. That means that the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. All this is still in 1080p. It can automatically pop on when you go in reverse or stay active while you're driving, which makes it also perfect for security at night if you want to see what's going on. It has commercial grade durability that makes it fully submersible in water and will work in crazy temperatures such as negative 30 degrees to 100 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The receiver is about the size of a Zippo lighter and can be installed anywhere that has a 12 to 24 volts. The receiver is also compatible with any 4-pin aviator plug, as well as the classic RCA connections for those that want to use older monitors. It does both. With convenience in mind, we placed the pairing button on the face of the camera with an industry first, an indicator light that shows you when you're in pairing mode and also informs the people outside to smile when they're on camera. And lastly, if you look closely at the indicator light, you will notice that it sits in a fully machined out American flag, reminding you of where this camera was designed, tested, and conceived, right here in America. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!